Hi guys! I am going to read our March Let's Find Out Weekly Reader, and we're going to be reading A Frog Grows Up. This frog is all grown up now. It has a long pink tongue, but did this froggy look the same back when it was young? Let's find out. From Egg to Frog. This black dot is a baby frog. A frog starts in an egg. Does it look like a frog yet? Yes or no? This is a tadpole. A tadpole hatches from the egg. Does it look like a frog yet? Yes or no? Tadpole with legs. The tadpole grows legs. Does it look like a frog yet? Yes or no? This is a frog. Now the frog is all grown up. Does it look like a frog yet? Yes, it does. Down at the bottom, do all frogs look the same? No. Frogs can be many colors and patterns. Which is your favorite? This is the tomato frog. This is the red-eyed tree frog. This is the azure poison dart frog. This one is the Pac-Man frog. And this guy is the spotted strawberry poison dart frog. Move and learn. Can you jump like a frog? Stand up and jump like a frog. Good job. A bullfrog's hungry week. Read the chart and then circle the correct answers. Which did the frog eat on Tuesday? The snake, the snail, or the fish? Let's go up to our chart. Here's Tuesday. What did he eat? Circle what he ate or point to it. Good job. The snake. Question 2. Which did the frog eat on Friday? Let's go up to our chart. Here's Friday. He ate a grasshopper and a snail. Did he eat a worm, a grasshopper, or a snake? The grasshopper. Good job. Question number 3. Which did the frog eat on Saturday? Did he eat? So up here on Saturday, he ate a snail and a dragonfly. Did he eat the fish, the worm, or the snail? The snail. Good job. And bonus question, how many days did the frog eat a snail? Let's go up to our chart. Here we go. Sunday, he didn't eat any. On Monday, he ate 1. On Tuesday, he didn't eat any. On Wednesday, he didn't eat any snails. On Thursday, he didn't eat any snails. On Friday, he ate a snail, so we're up to 2. And on Saturday, he ate a snail, so we are up to 3 snails. So 1, 2, or 3 snails did he eat? 3. Good job.